Hello, I'm Stephen Derenski, and I'm a junior, and I'm part of the programming team here at Raven Robotics. I am the lead programmer for the team right now, and so my job is to go through and teach all the new freshmen and everyone who's interested in programming how to do just that. And so our entire programming team incorporates using Python and a mix of other languages like HTML and CSS for web server wise, and Python for the main backbone of the robot itself. And so anything that happens mechanically, we have to figure out logistically and logically how to make that work, just with buttons and X and Y axes on a joystick. And so as of right now, I'm teaching them how to go through and image a robot reel and make sure they understand everything in and out of the robot.